everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, congratulations messages are pouring in for the Mpisane family after the Yamakoti Tamia Mpisane shared the good news on her social media platform Instagram ukuthi yena nomyeni wakhe Andile Mpisane are pregnant. Blessed by grace of God, made from love with love to love. I can't wait to meet you my love, she wrote. Efakeke isithombe sakhe la ebonisa khona ukuthi ngampela she is expecting. Basibembongela ke abantu abaningi and others asking ukuthi ke how old is her first born. Ubaby girl ka Andile Mpisane no Tamia turned 1 ngoMay and we are hoping ke ukuthi ke lo ozayo kuzoba umfana ngoba uAndile have 3 baby girls and akanayo ingane yomfana. Once again, congratulations to the Mpisanes. We wish them all the best. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and let's celebrate with them. Bye.